if y'all want to make money at home doing something pretty simple and easy in your free time, I recommend Remotasks. I made about $197. The first two payouts that you see at the bottom, they're really little because honestly, that was when I was training. They had to review my tasks and I didn't make much. This one was my first actual payout. I didn't do that much work, so I didn't get paid that much. And then this one, I went on vacation, so I wasn't working, obviously. But if you guys do sign up, use my referral link right here. If we make $150 from the date of the referral, we'll each get $100 extra.
To hop on here and show you what Remotasks is and what I have been doing and what I have made so far with it. I do have a link in my bio. If you join, get to $150, you will get a $250 incentive bonus. So it pays to join a link. What I did is I didn't sign up under someone the first time, and I missed out on that bonus. So make sure that you are clicking the link in my bio to get that bonus if you choose to sign up. So Remotasks, completely legit. It's only available in some states, but different countries as well. You put in your ID so they verify you're a real person, and then they pay out through PayPal or what's called AirTM. I suggest if you do this, you use AirTM. You don't use AirTM, you use PayPal because there's a ton of fees with AirTM. So if you have a PayPal, that is the better option. So now I'm going to show you what I have made so far doing Remotasks. My current payout, this is what I've gotten paid out the last 3 weeks. I will go into my balance here so you can see what I made overall. My all-time earnings is $684. I've been tasking not even full-time, here and there over the last 25 days, and that's what I made. Show you how easy it is. Go to dashboard, start tasking. I'm in what's called the Bulba project, and you have to sign in. It's a little tricky to get to where you need to be. But then if you have 2 tabs open like I do, you go back to this page after you hit start tasking, and then you start the task. And because of confidential, they don't want me to show information that's given, but if it was here, the data pool is off. It would give questions, and then in Remotasks, I would copy my exclamation. It's helping AI get better, but it's really easy. You do tasks, they pay up to $15.